No way. Hey buddy, how old are you? 14.
Yeah.
And where did you get that bike?
I got it from someone I know from college.
Yeah?
He made this one bike frame on top of the
Yeah, I've seen them before. So you're 14 and you're riding a tall bike.
Yeah. He can ride one too.
Do you have two or just one?
Two.
You have one too?
Well, my brother has one and he's our neighbor, so he rides it.
Wow. You know how lucky you are?
Very lucky.
That's gonna, and you're 14 you said. That takes some skill. How long did it take you to figure out, oh by the way, you're being filmed, this is okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you're underage, so I didn't, a couple days? Did you ever fall down?
Yeah. Mostly just like, if it's about to fall, I jump off and land on my feet.
Uh-huh. How many brakes you have? I just see you've got one, right?
Yeah, there's one. The other one has one.
Okay. Oh, you've got a coaster brake.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's really cool. So how many kids or friends of yours want to ride your bike?
Want to?
Yeah.
A lot of them. Almost all of them. I don't think that any of them, except for my brother and him, can ride.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah.
I am completely just... Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. So, I've always wanted one, and then here you are, only 14 years old, and you have one. Lucky. Yeah, I can make them, but I don't have the time or the resources to do that.
It does take a while.
Yeah. All right. Well, hey, I'm going to turn around. Well, I'm going to do it the other way. You can keep going.